Quinn's was an old coaching inn. Anyway, it obviously had a good wee room. When you're tired and weary and you're feeling blue, don't give way to sorrow, I'll tell you what to do. Just take a car to Springburn and find old Quinn's there, and go into the wee room underneath the stair. Down in the wee room underneath the stair, everybody's happy, everybody's there, and they're all making merry, each in his chair. Down in the wee room underneath the stair, a king went a-hunting his fortune for to seek. He missed his train at Partick, went missing for a week. But after days of searching, sorrow and despair, they found him in the wee room underneath the stair. Down in the wee room underneath the stair, everybody's happy, everybody's there, and they're all making merry, each in his chair. Down in the wee room underneath the stair. When I'm old and feeble and my bones are getting set, I'll no be cross and grumpy like other buddies. I wasn't saving up my bobbies to buy a hardly chair to take me to the wee room underneath the stair. Down in the wee room underneath the stair, everybody's happy, everybody's there, and they're all making merry, each in his chair. Down in the wee room underneath the stair. So I'd like to say thank you very much for joining in, and thanks for listening to me, and thanks for asking me.